Hello everyone, welcome to W3 Grad's Quick Tech Solutions. Today's video is based on supervised learning in machine learning and its types, that are regression and classification. So, let us quickly see what supervised learning is in machine learning. Supervised learning is the machine learning task of learning a function that maps an input to an output based on example input and output pairs. It infers a function from labeled training data consisting of a set of training examples. In supervised learning, each example is a pair consisting of an input object, which is typically a vector, and a desired output value, which is also called the supervisory signal. A supervised learning algorithm analyzes the training data and produces an inferred function, which can be used for mapping new examples. Techniques of supervised machine learning algorithms include linear and logistic regression, multi-class classification, decision trees, and support vector machines. Supervised learning requires that the data used to train the algorithm is already labeled with correct answers. For example, a classification algorithm will learn to identify animals after being trained on a data set of images that are properly labeled with the species of the animal and some identifying characteristics. Regression and classification algorithms are supervised learning algorithms. Both the algorithms are used for prediction in machine learning and work with the labeled data sets. But the difference between both is how they are used for different machine learning problems. The main difference between regression and classification algorithms that regression algorithms are used to predict the continuous values such as price, salary, age, etc., and classification algorithms are used to predict or classify the discrete values such as male or female, true or false, spam or not spam, etc. Let us look at what classification algorithm is in a bit of detail. The classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique that is used to identify the category of new observations on the basis of training data. In classification, a program learns from the given data set or observations and then classifies new observation into a number of classes or groups, such as yes or number, 0 or 1, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. Classes can be called as targets, labels or categories. Unlike regression, the output variable of classification is a category, not a value, such as green or blue, fruit or animal, etc. Since the classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique, hence it takes labeled input data, which means it contains input with the corresponding output. In classification algorithm, a discrete output function y is mapped to input variable x, and represented as y as a function of x, where y is the categorical output. The best example of a machine learning classification algorithm is email spam detector used by email services. The model is trained on the basis of millions of emails on different parameters, and whenever it receives a new email, it identifies whether the email is spam or not. If the email is spam, then it is moved to the spam folder. The main goal of the classification algorithm is to identify the category of a given data set, and these algorithms are mainly used to predict the output for the categorical data. Classification algorithms can be better understood with the help of this diagram as shown. In this diagram, there are two classes, Class A and Class B. These classes have features that are similar to each other and dissimilar to other classes. Now, the algorithm which implements the classification on a data set is known as a classifier. Now there are two types of classifiers, which are binary classifier and multi-class classifier. If the classification problem has only two possible outcomes, then it is called as binary classifier. For example, yes or no, male or female, spam or not spam, cat or dog, etc. If a classification problem has more than two outcomes, then it is called as multi-class classifier. For example, classifications of types of crops, and classification of types of music. But when it comes types of classification algorithms in machine learning, it can divide it into two main categories and subcategories, which are linear model and nonlinear models. The examples of linear models are logistic regression and support vector machines. On the other hand, the examples of nonlinear models are k-nearest neighbors, kernel SVM, naive Bayes, decision tree classification, and random forest classification. So, this completes our discussion on classification algorithm. Now, let us move further and look into the regression algorithm in detail. Regression is a process of finding the correlations between dependent and independent variables. It helps in predicting the continuous variables such as prediction of market trends, prediction of house prices, etc. The figure shows the graph with independent variables on x-axis and dependent variables on y-axis. The graph contains data points and a line of regression. This line indicates the best fit line for predicting any output. The task of the regression algorithm is to find the mapping function to map the input variable x to the continuous output variable y. Let you take an example of regression. Suppose we want to do weather forecasting, so for this, we will use the regression algorithm. In weather prediction, the model is trained on the past data, and once the training is completed, it can easily predict the weather for future days. In machine learning, we have different types of regression algorithms. These are simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression, support vector regression, decision tree regression, and random forest regression. To conclude, let us do a comparative study of classification and regression based on different parameters. The table shows a comparison between classification and regression. The first point says that, in classification, the mapping function is used for mapping of values to predefined classes, whereas, in regression, the mapping function is used for mapping of values to continuous output. Classification involves prediction of discrete values, while regression involves prediction of continuous values. The nature of predicted data in case of classification algorithm is unordered. However, in case of regression, it is ordered. The method of calculation in classification is simply by measuring the accuracy, while regression involves calculation of root mean square error as the method of calculation. The examples of classification algorithm are decision tree, logistic regression, etc., whereas regression tree or random forest and linear regression, etc. So, this brings to the end of this video. Hope this video cleared out the concept of classification and regression in machine learning. So, keep learning, and I will see you in next video. Until then, subscribe to our channel and press the bell to stay updated on upcoming videos. Thank you.